सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए। Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching GK quiz on life of Mahatma Gandhi Set 1. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. Where was Gandhiji born? The first question. Porbandar. A. Porbandar. B. Rajkot. C. Ahmedabad. D. Delhi. So the correct answer is A. Porbandar. What was the age of Mahatma Gandhiji at the time of marriage? Option A 12 years, option B 13 years, option C 16 years, option D 20 years. So the correct answer is B 13 years. About how old was Gandhi when he reached London to become a barrister? Option A 20 years, option B 19 years, option C 21 years, and option D 16 years. So the correct answer is 19 years, means option B. So the fourth question. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhiji? First option A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Swami Vivekananda, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and D. None of the above. So correct answer is C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. From which station in South Africa Gandhi was thrown out of the train? First option Natal, A. B. Johannesburg, C. Peter Mattisburg, or D. Durban. So correct option is C. Peter Mattisburg. Sixth question. At which place was Gandhiji arrested for the first time by the British government for sedition? A. Bombay, B. Pune, C. Calcutta, D. Ahmedabad. So correct answer is D. Ahmedabad. Seventh question. On which day of March 1930 the famous Dandi March launched by the Gandhi? A. 10th, B. 13th, C. 12th, D. 11th. So correct answer is C. 12th. When was the Gandhi Iron Pact signed? When was the Gandhi Iron Pact signed? March 1, 1932, March 5, 1931, March 10, 1935, March 7, 1937. B. March 5, 1931. The correct answer. Who was given the slogan "Do or Die"? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. None of these. This is the correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi ji had given the slogan of "Do or Die." So, last question. Who killed Gandhiji? Answer A. Ruskin Bond, B. Nathuram Godse, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Satyabhan Gokhale. So the correct answer is B. Nathuram Godse. So today we have watched GK quiz questions and answers on Mahatma Gandhi's life. So I am completing my short session here. Namaskar.